Every year, people in Delhi are breathing the same toxic air. Governments have changed, but the situation on ground has not. Even now, Delhi is breathing in very poor air quality, and now the problem is that the data on the monitoring stations does not relay the reality that the people are living in the national capital. I have with me protesters from the Scientists for Society, this group that is currently protesting at Jantar Mantar against the government's failed policies on pollution. आप बताइए कि आज आप लोग यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे धरना दे रहे हैं, लेकिन आप देखते साल दर साल चाहे आम आदमी पार्टी हो बीजेपी हो, दोनों ने ही पोल्यूशन में कुछ नहीं कर पाए हैं दिल्ली।
एक्चुअली इसलिए ही हमने ये प्रोटेस्ट भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, क्योंकि हर बार हर साल यही होता है, पॉल्यूशन बढ़ता है, कुछ ऐसे दिखावा के लिए कुछ दो चार चीज़ें कर दी जाती है सरकार की तरफ से, लेकिन साल भर इस पर कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जाता है। और हर साल ठंड जब आता है, दिवाली आने के बाद अचानक से बूस्ट कर जाता है और पॉल्यूशन बढ़ जाता है। इसके असल कारणों को हमें समझना होगा। इसके असल कारण ये है कि दिल्ली एनसीआर के आसपास इतने ज़्यादा फैक्ट्री और इंडस्ट्रीज मौजूद हैं जो लगातार बहुत ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन करते हैं। 40 से 45% पॉल्यूशन उससे आता है, लेकिन इस पर कोई कैप नहीं लगाया जाता। उन्हें अंधाधुंध सालों भर पॉल्यूशन करने की छूट दी जाती है, एयर पॉल्यूशन, वाटर पॉल्यूशन, हर कुछ दिया जाता है। तो आज ज़रूरत है कि इस पर एक्शन लिया जाए। गवर्नमेंट बेशर्म, हमारे देश की मुख्यमंत्री ऐसी हैं जो सीधे ये बोलती हैं, अभी जस्ट
Look at the way that the people have had to come on the street to protest only because the governments have changed, but no one seems to be listening. If air is free, why is breathing a privilege? This particular poster says. And another one says, thanks Delhi, but I like classic. I want clean air, not 6 packs a week. So that is how the level of toxicity in the air is being designated. And certainly we see that around here, these are just a few people. But look at the kind of relevance of the issue that is being brought to Jantar Mantar. And I just want to show you a poster over there that's, with Hrithik Roshan over there saying that pollution mein saans lena is not funny. So that's the way the Gen Z is trying to bring the issue to light. However, governments have not been able to pay heed. On one side, the air quality index is being monitored and manipulated to show data that's not the true situation on the ground. And on the other side, children are having lung issues, children are facing respiratory problems, and it's getting very difficult for Delhiites to breathe in toxic air. And even now, days after Diwali, can't blame the crackers for the pollution, but the Delhi's AQI remains in the poor to very poor category, sometimes going into severe, the data for which we don't have as officially from CPCB. But there are other air quality monitors, there are purifiers that people are using which show the air quality more than 700 and 800 in many places. And things have not changed, which is why people of Delhi are now fed up and want to take matters in their own hands by coming down on the streets and protesting against air pollution. In earlier years, we used to see protests by mothers, by children, but now even the Gen Z has moved into the air quality index and the fudging of the data and protesting against the pollution levels that have left Delhiites suffering and breathing in bad and toxic air. With Emmanuel in New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.